That's why they played it slick to trick you out of your consent. Because if you do not give consent to anything, then it wouldn't get power. And see, that's one of their greatest fears. Us taking out, disconnecting from this matrix. That's their greatest fear, us disconnecting, and we all disconnecting, and we waking more and more people up day by day. And they are powerless. You hold the power. The power is in the mind. And the power is within. That's why we have the ability to create. We are creator. We create our own reality. We taking our shit back. It's time for all these evil entities to get off our planet. The more of us rise, the weaker they become. That's why their system is falling. That's why this matrix is through. Don't go down with the matrix. Don't go down with it. Because a lot of people gonna be trying to hold on to that way of living. We rising. We are much greater than that. We came here to be free. We came here to be who we are. Why you think they don't want to let us be? See what I'm saying? But they don't have a choice in this. Because see, your happiness piss their demons off. Because they don't have love within them. They don't have love within them. May we rise in unity. May we rise in unity. That's what it's about. We come together as one. We are much stronger together. That's why they came with this religion, to divide us. To divide us. That weakened us. They taught us so much ignorance. They taught us how to be ignorant. Basically, they taught us how to be ignorant. We are divine beings. It's not about color. It's not it separated, made it all these different races and programmed a lot of people. It's about vibrations and frequency, love. That's what it's about. It's about love. It's not about no color. See, they programmed us to fight their fight for them, basically. It's on a love. We rising in love. The Christ conscience, yes. The Christ conscience. That's the resurrection. See, they killed the Christ conscience, and that goes to show you, like if you do not use your discernment, you will never know.